How to embed a video into Google Slide. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to embed a video into Google Slide. First thing first, check your internet connection, open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in google.com/slides. So make sure you already have a Google account, and after you open up the slides, tap the go to slides button from the bottom left hand side corner. After that, select a presentation. So go ahead and select or open up a new presentation or whatever presentation you want. Once you've done that, in order to insert a file or in order to insert a video, all you have to do is just type in insert, tap on insert. Once done, you'll be able to see a drop down menu, and from the list you need to go ahead and tap on select video. You'll be provided with three different options, whether to insert a URL or to insert it from a YouTube or to insert it from Google Drive. Whichever is convenient for you, select that one. In my case, I'm just gonna go with the Google Drive and select the particular video that's actually stored or saved on your Google Drive. Once you've done that, open up the particular file and click the insert button located right at the bottom and go ahead and tap the got it button. So as you can see, you've successfully embedded a video into your Google Slides. So now you can make changes with the other one, and you can also add multiple videos. All you have to do is just tap the plus button and another slide will be added, and similarly go ahead and tap the insert button video and do the same procedure. So in this way you can insert a video or embed a video into your Google Slide. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.